Hello YouTube, this is your Kuya D.I.Y Abordo, and today we will be unboxing this cool freebie I got from Uniqlo, a limited edition phone stand tumbler. These were part of Uniqlo's 5D sale. If you spend a minimum amount of 3,500 pesos, you get one free. Each holds 750 ml for 24 phones of liquid, which keeps your default and hot. And honestly, it has this premium feel. The lid doubles as a phone stand and includes a metal ring for your phone or case. We've got two sleek black tumblers. Look at the finish, minimalist clean, and it feels super solid. Great for everyday use. It also has a logo at the bottom. And ganda. Now, next is my wife's favorite, which is color pink. It got that soft matte look and really stands out. Perfect for someone who loves a little pop of color. Yung logo sa ilalim. Maganda. If you got one too, let me know in the comments which color you got, and if you missed out, maybe Uniqlo will bring them back. Huh? So, comment lang. Ganda. Ganda yung quality. Ito yung ring. Okay din yung magnetic strip niya. So, once again, thank you, subscribe, like, and share.